What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I'm just going to be creating this simple winged out smoky look, and I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Caliente palette. So if you guys are interested in recreating this look, or if you guys just want to hang out, get ready with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Caliente palette. So it has a variety of these bright shades, some pinks, some orange, some yellows. Very pretty. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I'm going to be going and starting off with my other eye. I already completed this look off camera for you guys. So what I did was I went ahead and I grabbed one of these elf stickers, and I went ahead and I applied it at the end of my eye. So with a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with this shade Rumba and apply that on my lid. Just to act as my transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe, it's this Morphe flat brush. And I'm gonna be going with the shade next. It's called Brillo. And I'm going to apply that at the outer corner of my eye and kind of bring it in, pretty much creating a wing, and using the tape as like a guideline. And once you do that, you can always go back and keep packing on the color just so it can be brighter and it can really stand out. But once you do that, just go in with like a little pencil brush and go in with the shade above it and maybe kind of mix it with that peachy tone and kind of blend out that wing. So you're gonna have kind of like a smoked out wing. And we're just gonna go back with that pink shade and just brighten it up. Pack in as much as you can. So continue to build that pink shade just to deepen the look and really make that pink pop. And then go ahead and blend out again, very lightly. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the sticker here, and voila. Alright guys, then I'm gonna take this shade called Mamacita. It's like this really pretty, shimmery, peachy color, really cute. And this, you guys can see it's this one right here. And I'm gonna just take another pencil brush and apply that in the inner corner of my eye. Like so, kind of bring it up a little bit. For mascara today, I'm gonna be using the Lilly Lashes mascara, and I'm just gonna apply a very light coat on my lashes. Before I apply the lashes, I'm also gonna put a little bit on my brow bone. I totally forgot of that shimmery shade. It's really small. For lashes today, I'm going to be using these by Beauty Creation. They're the Insta Famous. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some glue to my lashes, let that dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Just finished up the rest of my face. Super cute. So let's go ahead and tackle the under eyes. So under my eyes, I'm gonna go back in with the palette and pick up that pink shade again and apply that all along my waterline. Just kind of attach the wing to your waterline so that way it's kind of like just continuous. Alright. So I'm just continue to build up and connect my wing to my waterline. Then I'm gonna go in with that pencil brush and take this peachy color and just kind of blend out that pink. I'm also going to take a little bit of the yellow too. So add a little bit more color. It's so pretty, guys. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure to turn on that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I'm going to be going ahead and attempt to do my other eye. I already started with this eye. So it's like this very pretty pink wing with a little shimmer in the inner circle.